Hi everyone. Today we will talk about how to send event from Objective-C to React Native. So firstly, in the previous lesson, we have the Objective-C code, and here you want to send some events from Objective-C to React Native by defining some of the event name and send back to React Native. So firstly, we must import the React event emitter library from the React library, and we have to inherit task manager from React event emitter. So in task manager.implementation, we have to implement some of the function for emitter. Firstly, we implement supported event. This must return to a list of event. So we have a list of event or an array of event to register. So you can add more event here depending on your application. So comment out this code not necessary in the previous lesson. So we must import the native event emitter package from React Native, and we create a new object of event emitter from the task manager, and this will ensure that you use the task manager class as a native event emitter class because it derived from the emitter class. So firstly, we must add the listener for each of the event. And it means that in React Native we watch or observe the event A, for example, and when the event A occur, it will be called as a zero function event here. So we alert to the screen that event A data is event A.name. So we do similarly with the event B. So we have event by A and event B. So we add a listener to the task manager event emitter. So when in Objective-C, you must use the task manager as a singleton pattern. So we initialize the alloc with zone. So we have only one object for task manager. This prevents conflicting with the existing object of task manager in Objective-C. So we use this function as a single object. So it means that one class task manager has one object task manager. So it only dispatch one or create only one. For the object of share or task manager or share object, and so we can test by defining a timer for 2 seconds called event A. Event Ka is called after 2 seconds repeatedly. So after pressing to the after 2 seconds, send event to React Native is called. So this function in selector is called. So we have to define the function send event A to React Native. Yes. So define this function with the input parameter timer. Okay. So what will this function do? This function will send an event to React Native after 2 seconds repeatedly, and for sending, we must improve the task manager to here for using task manager as an object. So you get the task manager object by using the singleton pattern or singleton method. By task manager is equal to alloc with zone, so nil, and this will get the object from the singleton object. It means that we have the single object for task manager. And so after getting the task manager, again using the function send event with name. The name is the event name and the body is a parameter. The body is a parameter of the data sent to the event. So we have the body has name, the body has data. So we have two property, name and data, sent to React Native. So we use send event with name. Okay, so we can set it to repeatedly no, because you can only want to test. Yes, for testing we see that we have the data here is even AAA. Okay, so you can also change the appearance by setting data event.data. Yes, no, yeah, repeatedly yes, for calling repeatedly 2 second while. Yes, so after waiting 2 seconds, we have here after 2 seconds here, 2 seconds here, just many times. Okay, so it can send one even A to React Native. So we do similarly with even B. After 4 seconds, we send even B to React Native we send from Objective-C. Yes. So we define a function for send even B to React Native with the name and the data. Even B, the name. Yes, even B. Okay. So it can send multiple event to React Native. Okay. So what we do in receiving, so we can also use a state. We can change a state, and we define a state even A time, even by B time. It is number start from 0, and it is their state of this component. So it sets state by increasing the value of previous state even A time plus 1. Okay, so we define the even B even by A by setting state to the new state by increase the value of even A time and even B time, and we show to the screen the value of even A time and even B time. Just so after 4 seconds and 2 seconds, you can see the number of even can be increased. Okay, here. So after 2 seconds, 1, 2, 3, and auto increase, and the even B time auto increase. Yes, and this is a very convenient way if you want to do some tasks in Objective-C, and after finish it send an event to React Native, and the React Native done some tasks and reload the user interface. Okay, it is end of my lesson today. Thank you so much for watching.